Hi guys, Sam from the Bodycentre here, coming to you from the inside of my truck. Now, I don't normally intro videos from the inside of my truck. I'm normally out the front with the car in front of me. But today's going to be a little different. Let me explain. Now, last week, I had a couple of days off to spend with my family. Had a great time. But I was so upset because I missed a beautiful BMW M3 competition pack got dropped off to start repairs. Now, I've got no videos of before. I've got no videos of the strip stage, but the car is in the panel shop being worked on. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to steal our estimator's photos, Jason. He has to take pictures prior to the damage to send the insurance companies. And so we've got all our before pictures. I'm going to have to use those, drop them into the video now, and then take off from the panel shop. Like I say, not something we normally do, but this car is so beautiful and it's had quite a large impact. So I really want to show you guys behind the scenes. Let's go. So it's coming up to 7 o'clock, the boys are already here cracking on with the other repairs. The first thing I need to do is though, I'm gonna have to get a coffee. I'll see you in a minute. So, down in the panel shop, I've actually got here before any of the boys have got here yet. So, let's show you around to see how far they've got already. So, now showing you around the car, as you've seen, Dalpino, who's our newest member of staff, is doing absolutely brilliant here, by the way. He's now lining up the panel, making sure everything's straight before he now welds onto the car to then smooth the areas off to move to the prep shop. Keep watching. Hope you guys are enjoying this different video. So the quarter panel has now been fitted. Dalpino's done a great job, looks awesome. Alignment is great. We're now into the prep shop. Over to Danny. Where is he? He's gone. Oh, he's there. There he is, he's in there. We call him the prep shop manager, don't we, Jake?
We sure do.
Let's go. The booth. In all honesty, this colour has been extremely testing for the painters, but we finally got there. We had our paint experts come down to give us a hand on this one, and we've perfected it. So Winky's now masking the car up. We're then going to go over to Adam, who's then going to apply the colour so we can then move to the prep shop. To strip and fit, not prep. Adam laid a lovely coat of paint. We're now over to Marty in a strip and fit. We're now going to piece the car back together, get it over to the valet bay. So the fit up's about 90% done. All we've got to do now is put the rear screen back in. So we've got the main man Paul from Total Windscreens here. Now going to put it back in for us. Doesn't he look like the old man off Up? I'll show you. Where are your balloons? Balloons? Your balloons for your house. So the M3 is now complete. We've finished up the valet bay, we've checked over all the paintwork, we've gave the interior a good clean. Now let's quality check it and show you guys the final piece. So the BMW M3 is now complete. As you've seen, it's been a very, very large job. Been quite tested in the paint shop. We had a few issues getting the correct color, which has come out perfectly. We're really happy with that. We actually had our paint team down, the specialist, to come perfect this one for us as well. And what they're telling us is, on our two schemes we use, which is Speedsecker and Glazeret, this color actually hasn't been mixed up before. It has once, only for a touch-up part. So, this could be the only painted BMW M3 in this colour that we know of in these two brands, which is quite cool. Cool little fact. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you have more of an understanding of what happens behind the scenes. I'm sorry I didn't get as much footage previous with all the damage. Unfortunately, I wasn't on site. But we got as much as we could and it's turned out great. We've got another video coming up very soon, Lamborghini Superleggera. That one's going to be crazy. So yeah, check that out. Click that subscribe button, click the bell so you get an alert on every post that we do. See you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed it.